documents show that the lead prosecutor in the case has sent an email to the defense attorneys saying that the letters found in the Kapolei home of Primrose and Morrison, referring to them with different names, were not actually aliases used by the couple. The email said the United States retracts that argument. Two individuals have said that those references were nicknames, and some of them were the product of inside jokes. Last week, the feds also sent an email saying the KGB uniform seen in an old photo did not belong to Morrison and Primrose. Because of that, Morrison and Primrose say they should be released. Her attorney filed a motion saying these spy allegations have damaged the defendants' reputations, have caused them to be held without any basis, and have been reported on internationally.
This doesn't appear to be a case anymore that they should be detained, and I would suspect that the court will release them.
Silvert says given the changes in the prosecution's case, the defendants are not a flight risk and not a danger to the community.
Whether or not they took other people's identities, they've actually lived law-abiding lives for the last 20, 30 years. Given that reality, I don't think the law calls for detaining someone on that basis.
Primrose and Morrison are accused of stealing the identities of two dead infants. They're charged with conspiracy, aggravated ID theft, and lying to get passports. Other experts say those are serious enough charges to keep them locked up.
They pose a danger to the community. Identity theft is a very serious offense. And it requires some sort of sophistication, stealing someone's identity and using it.
Lee adds that they could also be a flight risk.
The fact that they manipulated the passport system to get a fraudulent passport indicates that they have the propensity to flee the jurisdiction.
A judge has scheduled a hearing on Monday to decide if Primrose and Morrison should be released. We will let you know what happens. From federal court, Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.